Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we're going to talk about the Parklane Flower Garden paper pad that has 180 sheets. It says it is printed cardstock. So this is a little bit more of a public service announcement than necessarily making page kits this week. I just wanted to let you know that if the deal sounds too good to be true, there is a reason why. So even though this says printed cardstock, this to me is not cardstock, it is paper. Okay, so if you look at this, like, it's paper. It's like not much thicker than this. A little bit, but not much. So when you see a paper pad that has something like 180 sheets in it, that is a sign that this is probably not cardstock. Now, will I still use this? Absolutely. There's some great prints in here. I will just combine it with cardstock. I use a lot of layers on my designs, so for it to be paper is not the end of the world. It's how I started off with back in the day. This is mostly what you found. You know, 25 years ago, most of it was paper, not cardstock. Will I make page kits out of this? Probably not. So what I'm going to do through here is I will go through and pull out the papers that I'm completely not interested in, and the rest of this will get color coded, so split into color groups and put into my stash. So you may have seen some of this already, but I just thought I would let you guys know. I'm just going to do a little flip through. I did one earlier already, but just another flip through so you can see exactly what patterns are in here and what it looks like. So this is definitely paper. So just be on the lookout when you see Flower Garden by Parklane. Even though it says cardstock, it is paper. Thanks so much for joining me, you guys. And until next time, happy crafting.